This is Aaron from Nitrous Outlet. Let's talk about one of the most important components and driving forces behind your nitrous-powered vehicle. Your nitrous system relies on many crucial components, but one stands out more from the rest to deliver peak performance: the solenoids. If they're not in top shape, your car's potential remains untapped. Don't let outdated or worn components stand in your way. Take control of your performance with our cutting-edge ProMod fuel and nitrous solenoids, our methanol solenoids, and our rebuild kits, all designed for racers who demand the best. Our solenoids and rebuild kits are your ultimate solution for consistent race performance. Built from premium 6061 billet aluminum, our ProMod fuel and nitrous solenoids and methanol solenoids are engineered for superior durability and peak reliability. Same holds true with our precision engineered rebuild kits. They breathe new life into critical components like springs, pistons, filter screens, and O-rings, ensuring your nitrous system performs flawlessly under pressure. Whatever the challenge, our solenoid and rebuild kits deliver unmatched performance, making them the ideal choice for racing enthusiasts. With Nitrous Outlet, you're always prepared for the competition. Right now, save 15% on fuel, nitrous, and methanol solenoids and rebuild kits. Plus, from January 1st through March 31st, earn promotional gift cards with your purchase. Spend $250 and get a $25 gift card. Spend $500 and get a $75 gift card. Spend $1,000 and get a $150 gift card. Don't pass up on these savings. Visit nitrousoutlet.com to explore our fuel, nitrous, and methanol solenoids and rebuild kit selection today and save 15%.